Reset to the factory setup. If you would like to erase the previously set neutral position, just push the transmitter arm to the end position and press the middle set button for 5 seconds until it flashes green again. And as you can see, it set back the middle position where the arm is in the middle. Now it is working as it should, but something has happened in the connection between the transmitter and the receiver. Like, I switch the transmitter off. It means there is no signal from the transmitter, and a couple of seconds later the throttle servo set back to neutral position. As you can see, it will be in this position until the connection set back again, or save your boat from the water. Now switch the transmitter back and everything should set back to normal. To get my transmitter working properly, I have to push this down. And as you can see, everything set back as it was before. Forward and reverse servo with neutral position. If I push the arm, the LED became green and the forward and reverse servo moves to 0 degrees position. The throttle servo slowly changes its position between 90 to 180 degrees. If I pull the arm down, the forward and reverse servo change its position to 180 degrees and the throttle moves again between 90 to 180 degrees. If I move the arm to neutral position, both of the servos set back to 0 degrees. If I change the servo polarity by the jumpers here and power cycle the unit, I push the arm forward, the LED became green and the forward and reverse servo moves to 180 degrees position. The throttle servo slowly moves between 90 to 0 degrees. If I pull the arm down, the forward and reverse servo change its position to 0 degrees and the throttle servo moves again 90 to 180 degrees. If I move back the arm to neutral position, both of the servos set back to 90 degrees. Issues. Reverse and forward servo doesn't move. As you can see, it is not moving now. Something had happened. Oh my god. Accidentally, you can set the potentiometers there to the minimum position or minimum value, and in this case the reverse and forward servo won't move. Just change the potentiometer's values back and everything will be alright. See this? Flat battery. If your battery hasn't got enough power, but the microcontroller is running inside the unit, the servo is not able to move or just twitching, and the green LED is blinking. If you see this issue, it's not a huge, horrible problem. Just replace the batteries for a charged one or a brand new one. Can you see? This is that issue. It is working now, okay? For further products, please subscribe to my videos and search them on eBay.